We are so glad that you are interested in joining our online Christian traveler community. So let's go ahead and talk about how to set up your account. Well, the first thing you need to do is create a username. This needs to be something that can't be tied to your legal name, so as this will be what shows in most instances. Your legal name will only appear once you have friended someone or have joined their community or trip. Additionally, fill in an email and double check your email and password um, so that you know what it is and will get the most up to date information with your account. Once you fill this all in, you can go ahead and hit next and fill in your bio. I encourage for each of the larger sections for you to aim for about 150 words or more. This isn't a time to just list the trips that you've been on, but to give more details about what you enjoyed about them and what you got to do. For your biggest God moment, talk about a moment in your travels that really enhanced your relationship with the Lord and you got to know Him better. And in your About Me, you can go into as much detail as you would like, whether it's about how you ended up passionate about travel, what your career is, etc. Note that this is visible to anyone on the site, but not to members or individuals not in our membership. Once you have completed all this, go ahead and hit next and tell us a little bit more about you. What is your current vocation? Tell us what kind of types of travel you really enjoy, and then what regions of the world that you have an interest in traveling in. Additionally, you can add an image of yourself and a picture from one of your past trips. These are actually required just so that we get a little bit more knowledge about you and others can identify you. Once you have agreed to the terms, conditions, etc., you can go ahead and choose a pricing plan. Please note that at this time, we do not accept businesses on our site to be members. A business qualifies as anyone who would make a profit off of organizing or planning a trip. We're really focused on building a good community, but more options for businesses to advertise will be an option in the future. Once you have created your account and filled out the information, you can return to your profile and log out. This will then take you back to the homepage.